What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back and checking out one of my videos. Appreciate it. This weekend I'm at the camp right now, just down letting the dogs go for a little swim in the brook. Me and my father are here this weekend. My brothers are at a wedding, so they're not coming. We're gonna head out on the bikes, go for a little cruise, stop, have a bite to eat. And we're gonna come back to the camp tonight, and we're gonna cook a whole chicken on the Campfire grill that my father built. It's a really cool grill, so hopefully you guys stay tuned for that. So yeah, I guess we're gonna get rolling. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Maritimer channel. If you're new and you like ATVing mixed with a bit of bushcraft and hiking and pretty much everything that gets you outdoors and away from your TV, you'll like my channel. And if you're an existing subscriber or watch some of my other videos, then thanks for coming back. I appreciate the support. Out today with my father here in his Kawasaki Terex. We just left the camp. Gonna go out for a little cruise, stop off, cook up some food, go for another little cruise after that. We're gonna head back to the camp, and we're gonna cook up a meal on the open fire, have a few beers, of course. Oh wow, they redid this bridge. All nice galvanized wood, looks great. It's really good. That bridge is in rough shape. In, I'd say the Wentworth, Collingwood area of Nova Scotia, Canada. No real agenda, we're just going to go for a little drive. We haven't been on, well, I've been out on my bike, but my father hasn't been on his in a while. And yeah, we're going to go for a little cruise. Cruising along here. This is a big giant blueberry fields here. Really big export in this part of Nova Scotia. Man, it's just a gorgeous day out today. I'd say she's probably pushing 27 degrees Celsius, I'd say. But there's a little breeze, which makes it super tolerable. We just got off the blueberry roads there, so we're just on the trails here. These are part of the snowmobile trails. So we just got to an intersection here. It says Sutherland's Lake, which is where the Skidoo Club is. So we're gonna go this way. Really nice section of trail here with all the tree cover and stuff. I love the woods here. There's so much hardwood. I definitely want to come up here on my my motorcycle and come cruising through these trails and do a little bit of exploring. And I feel like these would be easy trails to get used to off-roading with a motorcycle. For those who may not know, I have a Honda Africa. If you're new to my channel and you haven't seen those videos, 2018 Honda Africa. I'm in the midst of gearing it up for some off-road use. I bought some aftermarket parts. I got it's called Oakback Mototech. I think they're an Australian company, but I can't remember. I think it's made over in Europe somewhere, and it's all hand welded and really nice stuff. Skid plate, crash bars, and I had to get a rear luggage rack, but Outback Mototech didn't have one for my year, so they substituted in a alt rider one, which is also very good quality stuff. This is a nice spot here too. There's all those butterflies going again. But yeah, there's a little camping spot out on that little point there. I wonder what the fly situation's like by that marsh. Wouldn't mind coming back there sometime and go for a little camp. Just coming up to another intersection here. All the sponsors and a trail map there. Heading towards Sutherland's Lake. Well, we're just getting out of that trail. Brings us right out here to Sutherland's Lake, which is where the sled club is at. There's all kinds of cottages here. It's kind of nice looking. This here is the Sutherland's Lake ATV club. Really nice building. They have dances and dinners and stuff that they put on to raise money. Take care of the trails. A little loading ramp for your sled, put it in the back of your truck. It's in kind of rough shape. This is Sutherland's Lake. It's not a big lake, but it's fun. They have big drag races on the ice here with the sleds in the winter. So we just came up Hilltop Drive. The trail goes that way and they can go this way too. I'm pretty sure it's this way, off another branch of this trail. You can get to a spot and it's a swinging bridge that goes across a nice river. And it's really too bad, but they closed that trail down because it would go through a nature reserve type thing. Really pretty trails. I have it in a couple of my earlier videos, but yeah, it's a really nice trail, but they closed it down. There's no more access there, so it sort of sucks. Will bring you out to, these are fire roads in case there's ever forest fire, so they have access to get into. Just on the little trail that gets us into the Hippie Castle. We were close by, so we figured we haven't been here in a while. Figured we swing over and check her out again. Oh, Dad's gonna let me go by. So yeah, we're just gonna go in, check out the Hippie Castle for a minute, and then take off again. So yeah, if you're looking for the Hippie Castle, and you can find those service road that goes right by the toll station. It's not far past that. If you just keep going by the toll station on the service road, there's going to be a little trail on your right hand side, and that'll bring you right in here. Alright, we're just getting up here to it. Beautiful spot. It's a little look at the fireplace. Call it the Hippie Castle. Pile of work here for sure. But living up to the hippie reputation, they never finished it. Nice view of the ocean when you get up high too. Apparently this was built just to have concerts and stuff at. I don't know if they ever actually had anybody down, eh, Dad? They never actually had any music here, did they?
They used to have concerts. Grayson played up here.
Oh.
They had some thing going on.
Right on.
And you guess he'll rent it. If you want to rent it.
Yeah, he came up last time, remember, and he said $5 to camp here or something. I'd come up here and camp, $5. Or maybe I'll just clean up all the garbage and we'll call it even. Well, I stayed here or there for a while. Actually, just hung out, chit-chatting, had a little snack, but decided that we're not gonna make any food here on the trail. Gonna head back to the camp, get the fire going, and gonna cook up everything back there. Just getting going here. Had a good little stop there at the old Hippie Castle. Might head down and check out a waterfall that's not too far from here. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, we didn't end up cooking stuff. We kind of got a little bit of a late start, which normal. And we didn't want to eat a bunch, take the time, you know, it'd take a few hours for sure, so we decided just to ride instead, and then we'll cook everything tonight at the back at the camp. So I'll make sure to get that on video for you guys though. I would recommend definitely coming down and trying to find this waterfall if you're ever at the Hippie Castle. We've only been driving for maybe a kilometer or so past it. You start heading down this hill and there's going to be a turn to your left. Last time we were here it was kind of weird. We seen like a camper parked there. I don't know why. Maybe that person owns it, or it could be a squatter. Oh, we got a couple guys on a Arctic cat there. How are you? So you're going to get to a part of the trail, it just branches off here to the left, like I was saying. So notice they're saying that this is Crown land, so my guess is that that camper is probably going to be out of here. I believe it was parked right around here, either here or here, last time I was here. waterfall is flowing good too, so. Alright, made her there. Me and Dad got stopped. Gonna head down. Hopefully I don't wipe out going down. Pretty cool here. We found a bunch of old bottles. It must have been a dump site back in the day. Oh yeah. That one's smashed, is it?
What's that say?
Ask for.
Find the other one.
There's an old one.
Alright.
Got any writing on that one? Really nice waterfall here. You guys can see how clear the water is. Well, we're gonna get going. I love that little spot. Oh, if you own this land, it'd be so nice. So yeah, it was nice to see they kicked the squatter out. Maybe he had his thing parked right here, I'm pretty sure. Right in the mud. Whatever. It's gone now, and I see they got a bunch of signs up there saying this is Crown land. Crown land for us is... I think it's kind of like how public land is for you guys down in the States. We're able to pretty much use it if we want. Obviously not allowed just to go building buildings or parking trailers on it. Alright, so we're off again. Now we're gonna head back to the camp, get the fire going. I'm gonna switch this thing into low. Get the fire going, get some coals, and just relax for a bit, have a few beer. Yeah, we haven't gone that far. We're on our way back. Gone just about 30 kilometers. So nothing crazy, just wanted to get out there. It's always nice getting out, spend some time with the old man. He wanted to get out for a ride. We weren't really sure where to go, so we just went for a little cruise. Can't get over how nice it is out today. We're just sitting here listening. There's not a sound, just a few birds. That's it. Horse flies, of course, for freak's sakes, man. There's non-stop with those, but it's just so nice. All hardwoods here, too. Just getting back just about to the camp there now, so once we get back I'll let the dogs out, get the fire started so we can get some coals. Should be a good night for sure. You want a beer? There's a bunch of them in the fridge. Go help yourself. Alright, get out of here. Yeah, check on you, Benny. Alright guys, here we go. Just butterfly fillet the whole chicken. Cut them down the breast and split them open. Seasoned them up with some garlic powder, onion powder, Lowry's, and pepper. And rubbed it down with a little bit of oil at the start. I got a steak back there to split with Benny and Wendell. So yeah, we're just kind of waiting for the coals to burn down out there. We got a bunch of maple, so it's hardwood. Nice, nice for cooking on. Wait for that to cook down or burn down, and then we'll get the meat on the grill. Huh? We've got a steak on there to split between Wendell and Benny. Don't think they're going to eat it all. And then we got a bunch of marinated chicken thighs. Our full chicken. I know I'm going to get the question. So my chicken thighs are just marinated in sesame oil, real garlic diced up, chili powder, lemon and lime juice, onion powder, got some red chili flakes, and some paprika. Oh, and I cut up some cilantro too. Just throwing some asparagus. Chicken, I'd say, is pretty near done. Thighs and the steak are all done. I'll be good.
So Pascal exits the ring with a championship belt. Coming up.
Morning guys. Morning ritual. Take the dogs out to go walk around, do the business. Wasn't a late night last night. Just had a few beers and then went to bed. Nothing spectacular. We're both pretty tired. So yeah, like I said, just didn't do much last night. Watched some boxing, had some beers. Went to bed pretty early. Nothing crazy. Don't know what's on the agenda for today. Probably take the dogs for a little swim down at the lake or something, or maybe down at the river. But whatever we do, I'll take the camera along anyways. Hey, where are you going? Good morning guys, just got up. We just had a quick breakfast, nothing fancy, a little egg and bacon sandwich. Got the kitchen all cleaned up. I guess I could show I got a lot of new subscribers. These are custom built cupboards. My father, he built those. Pretty cool. Did a really good job. Got the shotgun shell lights there. Okay. There, I turned them on for you guys. Pretty cool though. Just made those. Dad made those too. This is one of those old washing boards. Maybe some of you guys are old enough to remember those. Dad made that into a light too. So yeah. But yeah, I really love these cupboards. He did a really good job. We are gonna head down to a lake. It's close to the camp and throw a stick or a ball for the dogs. Look at the splashing.
I've never seen it more competitive dog.
You got it though. You just needed a head start. Snorting. Yeah, so just let Dad and Benny, they were going back, so I didn't stay back, take a few more tosses there, let Wendell get a little more tired out. On it, go get it. You know, most, or not most, but some small dogs don't really like the water, but Wendell seems to like it. Hey, I had this. I wanted to show it in my last camp video, but I didn't really have room to bring it on the bike. But this is something else my dad made me. It's just an old plastic case that he had from something, diamond roller, I don't know what, must have been some sort of a tool that came in it, but he cut out, made a nice case for a Coleman lantern. Little filler funnel. We get some extra bags that go in there. It's a dual fuel, kind of like my Coleman stove. But yeah, it's pretty cool. He did a really good job on it, so thanks, Dad. I guess I'll show you guys this too. My new chainsaw. It was given to me. It wasn't working when I got it, so I took it to. I was outside of Grand Falls, and I was in New Denmark, which is the oldest Danish community in Canada, I believe. But anyways, there's a saw shop there. I brought it into him, dropped it off, and said I don't want to spend a bunch of money because it was an old saw. But I dropped it off to him. He put a new bar on it. The chain was good. I think he just sharpened it. Put a new spark plug, tuned it up a bit. So for 80 bucks, I got a brand new saw. Nice steel 250. So not a real big one, but great for what I use it for. Not a bad saw for 80 bucks. Yeah. Anyways, winding down there now. We got the camp cleaned up. Wendell's asleep. Sleep on the deck. I brought a little bit of wood for at home for when I go on my trips. But yeah, everything's pretty much cleaned up. As you can see, we got a bunch of wood we gotta get piled and put away. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna probably hit the road here soon, so See you guys in a bit. Wendell likes his belly rubs. Alright, come on up. Come on up. Alright guys, just on our way home there now. Had a good weekend. Hung out with my father, went for a nice ride, cooked up some good food. Spent some time at the camp, which is always nice. Hopefully you guys like this, a little change of pace from just my regular ATV videos. Like to branch out a little bit. Let me know what you guys think. If you like seeing parts of the camp and that sort of stuff. Yeah, so I guess this is it. I just want to say thanks for all the support. Appreciate everything. So hope you guys had a good weekend, and I'll see you on the next one.